Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Team Collaboration Studio feature. Now to use this Team Collaboration feature from YouTube Studio, all you have to do is go ahead and open your application. Then tap on your profile icon located on the top right. From there, head to Settings and you will find another option under Channel called Permissions. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, tap on this invite option, and then type in the email of that specific person that you want to invite and select their roles such as manager, editor, limited or subtitle editor, or even viewer. Now once you select their roles, tap on this send invitation option. Now once you tap on this send invitation option, that specific email will receive a mail for this channel's collaboration invitation. Now once they accept it, they will be also eligible to use this channel, but under your supervision. And that is how you can use this YouTube Team Collaboration Studio feature as of 2026. And if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.